Well, it's my mom's 96th birthday, and we're having a big party.
A lot of medication.
There's the birthday girl. You have anything to say?
I'm too full of good
Have you
food.
got 96?
All right.
You got
96
96 candles
years old.
somewhere?
Yes.
All
Candles?
these good
Yeah, we have
people here.
a delivery
Nice
service.
big meal. We got a table full of kids out here. Oh, good gracious. Y'all have anything to say about Grandma?
She's fantastic.
Happy birthday, Grandma!
The matriarch.
And I said oatmeal. Crazy.
I'm coming in. You goofy thing.
Kim made the other one and Sandy made this one.
Black Lives Matter. We also
Let's go see who's in here. We got more birthday party goers in here. Oh, it's the Craig, the dancer, and Cynthia, the dancer, and cook.
Dancer and cook.
Craig, Dave, Teresa, little baby. I've devoured the Indian food. We had chicken yum yum and butter chicken, and what was the other thing you made?
Biryani.
Biryani, my favorite. And yes, that. Dave, you have anything to say for Francis?
Oh, it's a privilege to be here for number 96.
Craig,
Love you, Mom.
don't overdo it. Teresa,
We're so thankful for you, Francis. Happy birthday.
anything to say for my mom?
Happy birthday, Francis. We love you.
Man, we had delicious butter chicken and rice, nice Indian and Pakistani dishes. Very thankful for Mom, having been on the earth for 96 years.
Sandy wants a long, sharp knife to cut the cake.
Oh, wow, I'm glad you clarified what it's called.
Well, I'll be okay there. Did you say 96 years or is that old song by it called 96 Tears? Oh,
Well, a tear for each year. 96 years. That's it.